Oops, I accidentally closed the. Hello, hello. So upstream I did this function, later function, which is just just a knockback for the player, like big knockback and stun. Let's make a new task. It will be STT. What can we call this? The NRC trigger. I mean, the name can be changed, so. Oh no. You don't need to be stage 3 task. Yeah, it's not a stage 3 task. It needs to be. So we need to get the stage 3. So to get the stage 3, we need to. Yeah, let's say stage 3. So we have this stage 3 set movement defaults. Okay. So we can get a stage 3 right there. Get stage 3. Now we have reference from the parent class. And then we need to force the boss to start the route again. So how to do it? I have no idea. Unreal Engine stage 3 reset maybe? Okay. So we can call stop logic and then start logic. Okay. What I Google, it says that you need to like start and stop and start immediately, so it will like reset. Yeah, let's try like this. So we have this phase to trigger. It's kind of okay. Let's go and take. So like so if the length let's see, yeah, this is a default tentacles length, so we can get this default, can be in defaults. Oh no, not here. So get the, so if a length of current tentacles is equal to the half of default tentacles, yeah, we need to start phase 2. Yeah, like this. Oh, we have death, we have return, and we need to return damage as well. So it will like go here and like go there. Yeah. So we could do like this. So go there, go there. Oh, why the music stopped? Okay, I think this is the correct way to do it. Maybe, I don't know, I'll check. So let's do like, okay, nice. But the thing is, it was not triggered. Like, we didn't start the logic, basically. Because it need already to be started. Start logic, stop logic, start logic. Okay, we need to like try it in action, I guess. Yeah, it's started again. Okay, so we have the phase 2. Let's make it delay. We can't make it delay in function, but we can call it set timer. We can't call it delay. Yeah, we can have say timer by event. But I don't think we can. Yeah, we can't do it like this. We need to do the so let's go here. We have trigger, which is this one, and we have no trigger, which is that one. Oh, let's use those. Okay. So let's do not trigger, and then okay, let's make an event. Start state tree again. Let's go like this, give it an input, which will be duration. We call not trigger, and then we call delay like this, and then we call trigger. Yeah. Okay, that's kind of okay. And here we call this start stage 3 again with a delay of 1.5. Let's give it a try. Let's start the IMBA mode. Let's get close a little bit. Yeah. Start the stage 3. Start state 3 again. Let's give it a command, a little bit space. Okay. Maybe we can do it inside. This can be handy, by the way. Let's like do it in here. I think this can be interface as well. State tree stan. Let's call it state tree stan. I mean, this makes much more sense than what we have. So let's delete this. Go in here. Let's go in boss. Let's make a new function and call it start state tree again. Give it an input duration, and because this can be called outside of like let's go here, start stage tree again, and not trigger and trigger delay. Yeah, this is cool. Now it took it. So let's come to Narcy. Yeah, this needs to be deleted because it's already inside here. And let's do jump right there and start state tree again. Yeah, this is from an interface, but I don't think it will work like this. The start state tree again, BB boss. Okay, BB start state tree. We need message. Yeah, we need message, not the self. 1.5. Yeah, this is cool. Let's say. Let's test if it will work. Oh. Get a closer range. Yeah, it's cool. So it's working. Basically what I did is kinda starting the stage 3. Like it's like a reset. Oh, it's like a reset, not the start. Okay, let's change the name. So we were right there. And let's reset stage 3. Reset state 3. Yeah, it's correct naming. Then the one that we used, reset stage 3, and we have reset stage 3. Let's give it a comment. Triggered. Reset stage 3. There are cool pigeons outside of balcony. Okay. Let's do it like this. Yeah. And give it begin play. I like to right like this. Okay, this is what. Okay, just forget about those. This. Okay, no more boss space. And I like what we did. Yeah. So Okay, let's kill the boss. Okay, face. Mass. Let's give it a big mass. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I don't I don't want to destroy the character basically. Hmm. Okay. Okay, let's destroy the character. I mean, I just don't, but for now it's okay. I mean, why we have this? When we have this in here, so we are kind of like overriding it, no? I mean, this thing is like triggering the boss from PPI boss. Yeah. So I don't think we need this. I feel like, yeah. Why I hate why I hate this one here when it's already in the parent class. Okay. Okay. So yeah, we're good to go. It's like if we want to trigger the phase 2, this is the way kinda. So we stun the player, we knock back the player, we launch the player, and then we are resetting the stage tree. And this stage tree set is inside the parent class with the interface basically. And that's kinda cool. Yeah. We can use set timer to avoid delay, but for now it's just a um, little function. I mean, a little class. Okay, let's do the bullet trail. So to make the bullet trail, we need to go. We need to go. Let's go in radial bullets, which is spiral bullets. Yeah, it's called spiral. So I have these delay between shots, delay between spawn. I think this is a correct name. Then this, and then so we need to set. Okay, let's do it. Set timer by event, timer handle. Yeah, it's not set timer by event. Let's do looping, promoted, and call timer handle. Let's make a variable. Let's call it delay between spawns. Like technically it's not spawn, but yeah, here we can spawn once. Let's call it spawn once. And we go for each loop. Oh, not for each loop. We go for loop by for loop. This guy, we promote it, and spawn count. So those two need to be like instance editable, and yeah, this is the base. And now if it's complete, we call clear and invalidate and finish the task. Yeah. Here we can use delay, right? Yeah, we can use delay in stage 3 task. So we need to get the actor, get component by class. We need object pool, and with that we need this one. Yeah. So it doesn't need rotation. Yeah. And yeah, it's kinda. Maybe I will just copy paste this. So let's delete this. Get actor location. Let's create those two. Show me velocity speed. Okay. So we will spawn these trails. So like we will spawn those. Let's give like 0.5 as default, and velocity speed to be 0, and his homing need to be false at default. Yeah. Let's call it. Why not? Let's call it right there. And we change it to next state, and this will be changed to an end. Next day, next day, next day. Yeah, it will work like that. So we have this orbit move, which is just for a second. This boss is like, yeah, moving. Like with movement. Oh. You need to be while loop, not for loop. So it needs to like continuously. Oh, what? What? Why we just don't need for loop. Wow. What is this? Okay. We even don't need this. I was like dumb. That's it, the exit state, and we call this on exit state, and that's it. I mean, yeah, I was dumb. So, yeah, I think this is the correct way. So let's go in state tree. Let's add the new bullet trail. Homing will speed. Yeah, we just don't have them. Let's increase it like 10 seconds for now. Okay. It's because of nitro. Need to go in orbit moment. And yeah. Nice. It's like spawning those bullets. Yeah, this is what I wanted. But I want like much more control. Let's give it delay like this. And up. I don't like the start. So let's do it like let's viable it. Let's call it like after. Let's give it delay. Or maybe just give it like this and no, it's not enough. Okay, let's give it a little bit delay like this. Yeah, so it will not like spawn. Let's give it like 3.5. I mean 4. Yeah, 5 was best. Okay. Yeah, this is cool. So it's like you want to kill him, but oh. So this guy this is cool, kinda. So we give it like 6 seconds. And on exit state, I have those things are spawning, right? So we kind of call. So let's promote this and make array like this. Oh, it doesn't have music. Quite a while. It's a fast version. It. Oh, what are we doing? We need kit. Dumb. So we are adding those to array. Okay, let's print string it. One, two, three, four. Yeah, it's adding to array. Let's go. So we add it to array, and then we need to make them to be like charged towards the player. So how to do it? Basically, select transform, set in use, initialize, spawn. They are still there. I don't like that. I think velocity is here. Yeah. Active forward vector. We need to get pieces will project the movement. Okay, let's copy paste. So we have velocity speed. We'll do this, and the target. Get actor. Get component. Get pro. I mean, get component by class. Do I have project? Oh, we have it. Wow. GG. Yeah, it's ugly, but I like it. Okay, let's test. So this guy is spawning them. But they're not moving. Not cool. Oh. Oh. Or maybe let's give it like this. Yeah, this. Okay, for testing purpose, let's give it like 2-second duration. Oh, nice. So the speed is activating correctly. That's good. Now let's now let's so we need to get the player pawn, but to get the player I mean for each we have for each loop and like getting component by class in for each loop. I don't think this is a cool idea. I mean this is like okay, but this is not okay in for each loop. And also if I do like a player pawn or something in for each loop, it will be too bad. But maybe it's okay for now. Okay. Why the music is always like stopping? It's like it doesn't need the active forward vector. Oh. Get player pawn. Get actor location, and I think this is no. Nice. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. Okay. I think they're not getting the. Maybe change it to is homing. But yeah, let's try. Oh, that was. Okay, this is not cool. Let's check one more time. Okay. We just don't need this for now. Yep, that's cool. Why the music is not starting again? Like why? That's cool. I think this can be randomized. I have a cool idea. Random float in range. Yeah. So minimum will be x plus 50. And the maximum will be minus 50. This will go in x. And we will get the same for y. Like that. Okay, let's try like this. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't like what it. Is it X or Y? Okay, let's just try like this first. Oh. No. We need to randomize these camp dump. We need to randomize the actual location. Random. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. We have a new follower. Sonic. Oh, Sandro. Maldo, Maldo. Why did music stop the game? So we should randomize the location of the player pawn, and not the like velocity itself. Yeah. Let's do it like this. So we get random. Okay, random. How to reach a point? Get random reachable point. Okay. Reachable point. I don't think reachable point is a like correct way of doing it, but okay, let's try. Okay, let's delete this. Okay, let's give it like 500 because I just don't get the. Yeah, it was working. That's cool. Let's give it like 250. And let's see on the top down. Yeah, this is cool. So the location will be like, okay, let's give it like 350. Yeah, that's cool. So you need to like, I want to force the player to dash like this, or maybe let's try like dash on the right. Yeah, I mean that's something. Okay, this is the music stopped again. Why? Da-da-da-dam. Yeah, that's kind of cool. How I did it. Reachable point. So, for example, if I do, what if I don't have an out mesh? Let's test it out. Yeah, it's not, it's not working if I don't have an out mesh. Okay, it's okay. We'll have an out mesh like in every piece of scenario, I think. Oh, that's okay. What if I get random true point in? I mean, yeah, just there is no random point in bounding box. Ooh, yeah, that makes sense. I don't. I, okay, random. Point bound box from stream. And cone degrees. Yeah, this is also. Yeah, let's try out using this as well. No. No, no, no. Okay, let's just use what I'm using. Okay, okay, okay. We're good to go. The music stopped again. What a... Okay, I will refresh the browser and then I'll like after that I will try to Google how to like skip. Okay, we kind of did it. Let's move it in the end, like here. So intro triggering charge attack, the following laser triggering orbit movement, and orbit movement, not triggering, transitioning, and yeah, that's the way. Okay, let's turn on the Imba mode. So this is first two attacks, then 3 bullet attack. Then we have this spiral attack. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's kind of hard to dodge, by the way. Okay. That's good. I'll grab the water and I'll come back. And the next thing that I want to do is the Engala movement with the spline. So like you can't reach Angel and like yeah. Like functionality of the movement of the Angel. Okay, let's add enum. Long run move. Let's go it like that. And we have a new this thing. And we'll grab the logic. We will have the logic, I mean. The logic should be here. So let's move this right. Disappear. Disappear. Walk. Oh. Walk. Where's the main? Oh, main line. Here. Maybe we'll need it for big gameplay, so I will not take its space. Okay, let's give it like this. And we will do the other functionality right there. Okay. I'll be back. Yeah, this is this will be the base of that. Okay, so I'll rest a little bit, not only grab the water. So let's give it like 15 minutes. I'll grab the fruit as well.